Sometimes all you need is one quiet decision to stop being who you were and start becoming who you could be. You ever wake up one day and realize you've drifted way off your path? Like you know you should be moving forward, but everything feels stuck, slow, heavy. You tell yourself, tomorrow I'll fix it, but tomorrow keeps coming and everything stays the same. It's that moment when self doubt whispers louder than your goals, when your old habits pull you back, when you feel guilty for not being consistent and even more guilty for wanting to reset your life. You don't restart your life by changing everything, you restart by changing one thing. One tiny promise you can keep even on your worst days. Make your bed, drink water, write one sentence. Most people can't restart their lives because their mind is too loud. Your mind is like a room. If it's full of old clutter, you can't move. Write down everything that's stressing you. You can't build a new life while holding a grudge against yourself. Tell yourself, I am allowed to begin again. Motivation feels great, but it fades. Systems don't. Choose a daily time slot, even 10 minutes, dedicated only to future you. You can't grow in a place that drains you. Remove one negative influence today. Do it for the version of you who wakes up 1 year from now. Imagine your future self saying, thank you. Restarting your life isn't dramatic, it's a quiet decision, repeated daily. You're stronger than your past and bigger than your doubts. Your next chapter doesn't begin when everything is perfect, it begins when you decide, I'm ready. Your restart begins now.